Metacognition is the ability to think about thinking. It's a very complicated word. Okay. So it says, while writing, adult brain constantly check, does this make sense? Our brain is like that. When you're writing something, it'll keep on thinking, is it making sense? You'll read, is it making sense? That's what we call thinking about thinking. Did I already say it? Am I repeating it? But in an adolescent, in a teenage, these neural connections are still strengthening and leading to repeated points and drifting off topic. Means in an adult brain, the brain is developed, the prefrontal cortex is developed. There you are doing cross-checking. Am I saying it right? Am I repeating it? Am I written the point again? But in a teenage brain, the brain is still growing, especially the prefrontal cortex. So this whole part is missing in them. So there is a lot of confusion. Did I write it enough? Did I repeat? On some answers you will read, they would have repeated the same thing 2-3 times in different ways. These are all difficulty the child is facing. Please don't blame. They are not doing it on purpose. One very powerful thing, and that is emotions in writing. Emotions and flexibility. What challenge are they facing? In the absence of a fully developed prefrontal cortex, the amygdala, that is the brain's emotional center, which is here, often takes the lead when you're writing. But when you're doing rote writing, there is no emotion. When you're memorizing something and writing, you're just recalling the data and reproducing. But when you have to write your long answers on your own, there is definite involvement of prefrontal cortex which thinks, and amygdala which gives the emotion to thinking. Only then you will be able to write with emotion. How you feel about something. So the challenge is, if a teenager feels stupid or overwhelmed by difficult question, what does the amygdala do? It will be in the flight or fight response. Fight is revolt, right? And flight is switch off. So when a difficult question comes, what is our children doing? Why should I write? I don't want to write. You write, they write. It's a waste of time. I can do something better. What is the use of copying? This is fight. Flight is blank. So the brain goes into flight and fight mode. Now you shout, you lecture, you scream, you this, you that. The brain is brain fog. I will not do. Then there is war. Then mother and son are fighting. Then there is, oh my God, house is a mess. And the father will come, leave the child. Why do you want to be like? Then the grandmother from there will shout, you are torturing the child. All this drama. So they literally shut down the logical part of the brain. When the amygdala is active, the logical part of the brain shuts down and emotion part of the brain survives and no reaction. Finished. Gone.